Next generations of airplanes will be able to feel when they are damaged thanks to a nervous system of glass fibers. Now, these fibers will not only make the airplane safer, but also lighter and eco-friendlier. Why would airplanes need a nervous system? The airplanes of today are made with new materials called composites. These are tough plastics that are stronger, but also lighter than aluminium. The newest airplane by Airbus, for example, is already made for more than half with these new materials. Composite materials regretfully also have a weakness. Cracks can form after an impact from a bird, lightning, or even a tool that's dropped accidentally. And even the smallest invisible cracks can grow when the airplane is in use and may eventually cause the composite to break. And that's why a lot of time and a lot of money is invested to detect and repair any such damage as soon as possible. I will solve this by installing networks of glass fibers into the composite. And these glass fibers are as thin as a human hair and are typically used for transporting light signals over thousands of kilometers. You probably heard of them as the backbone for super-fast internet. But did you know that they can also be used as sensors for measuring pressure or temperature? Now, this is done with extremely small mirrors inside of the glass fiber that each reflect light of a specific color. And whenever a sensor detects damage, the reflected color of that specific sensor will change. Now imagine such a wire as thin as a human hair with hundreds of sensors inside, and compare that to the cabling nightmare you would get with hundreds of electrical sensors that each need their own cable. Just like a human nervous system, these glass fibers can sense damage in the composite as soon as it occurs and before it can grow. This does not only ensure the safety of the airplane, but also greatly saves on maintenance time and maintenance cost. When equipped with these ultra-small sensors, the airplanes also need less material to prevent this kind of damage. And that's why they can fly farther with less fuel and less pollution.